Okay, we're going to attempt to put this door panel back on so that way everyone can see what is supposed to happen. We will see. Go ahead, I turn the power off and got this into position. A couple of the main concerns that I have is getting it slid under in the right direction, in the right spots. I previously pulled these plastic pieces off in the front and the back, just enough to get the door thing on. I don't want to take it all the way off because there's clips that hold the sunshade. People had said always break off. I wanted to make sure that they didn't break off for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is try to line up, make sure I've got it in the right spot. And somehow it seems to be going together. I'm gonna get out and come in from the back side. Make sure that this is all lined up right. All right. This actually goes in and it slides in. So it goes in behind the window, slides down, so everything's covered up. There's a nice feel on the window. Looks like everything is in. Make sure the lock and unlock is in the right spot. Make sure the door handle, which I will attach, the window control is popped out of here. Looks like you just slap it in, which makes it nice. Looks like everything is slapped in and secured. Has little clips. You can see this orange clip right here. There's white clips that are along the border around here that just pop off and pop back in. So this one is going to slide in. These actually go in. You want to put the back ones in first. Make sure it's up against the back. Slap that in. Now, the only thing I have to do is get the window thing, which will plug in, slide in, and we should be good. I won't videotape this going in because, yes, I will videotape it going in. I apologize. I found it. So, you line up. You can see a hole pattern here. With the hole pattern here, here's your clip. Bottom of the clip here lines up. Put that in. Slide this down. Should, with a little luck and maybe motivation. Ah, there it is. There's a slide latch in here at an angle. You have to slide this latch down into here, and it just pops right in. There we go. The final thing is this is the bleep, 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 blessed U-clip that people say. Took me about 2 minutes to pull it off. Hopefully it will take me less time to put it back on with the door handle. Inside our door handle, there's 2 ridges in here, both sides. That's where the U-clip sits, and it just locks in around these splines. So I should be able to pop that on, pop the U-clip up, and it should just kind of squeeze into place with a pair of pliers or a screwdriver. That all depends on how good I can be at it. This is where other tools come in handy. Possibly a needle nose plier to get a better hold. Main goal is to get the U-clip lined up on those two splines. And is not cooperating.